Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into something crucial for all you keto enthusiasts out there: electrolytes. Specifically, we'll be reviewing this keto electrolyte supplement that claims to boost your energy and performance without knocking you out of ketosis. Let's get started. So, why are electrolytes important on a keto diet? Well, when you're in ketosis, your body flushes out more electrolytes, leading to symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps, often referred to as the dreaded keto flu. This is where a good electrolyte supplement can be a game changer. Today, I'm reviewing the brand name Keto Electrolyte supplement. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, and I'm excited to share my thoughts. Let's break down the key features. First, let's take a look at the ingredients. This supplement contains sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, all essential electrolytes that your body needs to stay balanced, especially on a low-carb diet. It comes in a powder form, which I really like because you can mix it into water or your favorite keto beverage. Plus, it dissolves pretty easily without leaving a gritty texture. Tasting, the flavor is surprisingly good. It has a light, refreshing taste, not too sweet, and no artificial aftertaste. That's a big plus in my book. Easy to mix and good taste. Comprehensive blend of essential electrolytes. Helps prevent keto flu symptoms effectively. No added sugars or artificial ingredients. Cons: slightly pricier than some other brands. The powder form might not be convenient for everyone, especially on the go. After 2 weeks of using this supplement, I've definitely noticed a difference. My energy levels are steadier throughout the day, and I haven't experienced any muscle cramps, which I used to get occasionally. Overall, I'd say this keto electrolyte supplement is a solid addition to your keto toolkit. If you're looking for an easy way to keep your electrolytes in check and avoid those nasty keto flu symptoms, give this a try. You can find the link to purchase in the description below, pointing down. Check out the link in the description for more details and where to buy this keto electrolyte supplement. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more keto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay keto, and keep those electrolytes balanced. Bye for now.